Yep. On. I don't know where you're supposed to pull the cord to.
Probably out the side there.
And then that is all the way over.
Turtle?
Yep.
Not rabbit? Yeah.
Timer thing here. And there we go.
Okay.
Alright.
We're ready to go?
Let's go get a log.
Are we going to turn it off now to go get a log?
Sure.
Okay. All right, so this birch log is the one that we're going to take over and throw in the sawmill. I don't know, it's about 3.5 feet or so long, and for some reason it was cut this short, so I don't remember why exactly, but yeah, so oh, the other piece of it's behind, so it likely had like a bend in it. So it likely had some sort of bend in it at that location, and so that's why we cut it a little bit short, but there's lots of pieces that we can use, you know, shorter ones for. So all right, Mike's coming, let's go.
Do we use the smaller birch or the bigger maple?
I don't know.
But they're both firewood.
Yeah. Well, the birch isn't really though, although we put a crack in the middle now. That one's like decent, it just starts to bend over there. It's just too long, obviously, for what we're doing today.
What one?
The one in the back, like the rest of this tree.
Oh, right. But then there's this one right here too. But it's just as narrow as the birch. Right?
Yep.
But that one is a decent thickness.
And you think it's a maple?
Yeah, maple or oak, but
I guess it doesn't really matter.
well, so
I guess the challenge is, can we get that birch out of there?
this birch?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
that other one, this firewood is sitting on top of it.
So yeah, that birch is way big. But
This guy is totally firewood though.
oh yeah.
This one here. So
Yeah.
I just don't know if it was dead or alive. So, although it looks sort of dead with the way that branch is broken.
Yeah.
So maybe
So-
it's this winter's firewood.
Right. So let's take that one.
Is this really small?
It's a narrow set, but I mean whatever.
Okay. I don't care. I mean, we might end up doing both today. It just depends on how good this goes.
Yeah, we'll see. I think it's just
If it goes really badly, we're gonna need a second piece of wood. So we'll have to come get that birch.
That's right. Okay, so
You're killing me.
yeah.
Take the rail off?
Yeah. Why work hard when you can work smart? Sorta.
That was hard.
So that was harder than it should have been.
So you got this, right?
Oh.
Ow!
Well, let's take it and see what we can get out of it anyway.
Yeah, it's decent size. I'll just throw in my shirt though.
Oh wow.
Alright.
I don't know if this is even going to fit on 2 bunks.
Yeah.
Are we like just short? Did we just do all of that for no reason? Oh.
Yep. I don't think you're gonna reach.
Nope. Dang it! That was like...
Epic fail. That was an epic fail.
That was an epic fail, but that was a perfect log to start cutting on.
If only it was like 1 foot longer.
If only it was 1 foot longer.
So the plan is, as our first whatever project, we need to make something so that we can make climbing on the trailer easier. So a platform, we're probably gonna put the stringers attached to a pallet.
Alright, I'm gonna go grab that other piece.
What am I supposed to do with this one?
Kick it off when I'm done, when I'm out of here.
Just landed in the middle of the driveway now, so. Not leave it there. Because let's be honest, climbing up on top of this trailer is getting old fast. Just obsessed with following wherever you're going.
Wherever the quad goes, he's going.
Yeah.
Yeah. Really?
How heavy is that one?
Lighter than the other one. Mosquitoes. Excellent.
That's actually not heavy.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Okay.
Awkward, but not heavy. That's too high.
We're gonna have to adjust it in a second.
Bend down and look.
Okay. Up. The other up. Probably good there. Let's try that. For our
Okay.
first swipe.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm driving. Let's do it.
Okay. Good job.
deeper.
Yeah.
Look at all that green. That's gorgeous.
So I'm in the sun, so hold on. So you're in the sun.
No, I'm blocking. Well, it's not going to be anywhere else. It has to be there. You want to drive?
Sure. Need to find a better way of doing this.
Can you put it on the front side? Because that's where it came off a bit.
No, that's what I'm saying. Because it's supposed to be angled towards the log.
I understand. Can you angle it towards the motor right now and have it on that be on the top? Exactly the same, just 90 degrees the other side. Maybe?
I don't know.
It'll make it easier to unclamp it after. Yeah. Might have to go up a little bit.
It doesn't want to slide with the bar in it. These are all things we have to get used to and figure out.
Good?
I guess so.
Okay.
Okay?
You gotta go down a little more. This end's way smaller.
But it curls up.
Okay. We'll try it. You might have to go again.
Yeah.
We don't have any good thickness there. Unless that's a side. The back of the stairs, we don't really care if it's like got a little wow in it. You want to go 90 degrees?
Sure.
Okay. Maybe the other way?
This way.
Do we need to make those taller?
Might. Oh, it's not horrible.
I don't think you're straight up and down though. You gotta kick in the bottom a little more. No, that's too far. That's good.
We should really have a bucket over here. We're losing good sawdust. Yeah, so we might be good right there.
See how much bark you have on this side though?
Sorry?
Come closer. See how much bark you have in this corner?
Yeah.
It'll be okay? We'll give it a go.
Yeah, exactly.
Again, if we need it, we can do a second pass.
Yep. bungee cord or anything?
You have lots, I think, in your truck. That's good. You're good.
Am I good?
You're good.
Am I good?
I think so.
All right.
I was thinking in my head, still thinking it was spruce, even though you said maple, but I, in my head, still only registered that it was spruce.
Yeah.
Stupid.
That's maple. Okay, so
You wanna, who's the off?
save this for fire starter.
Would you stop? Get out of my head.
No way, man. This is where I live.